is my robo chef. Ow! Are you angry, Sonia? Are you my baby? If you're new here, shh. Fusilli in Basil Pesto. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. सो कल रात को थोड़ा लेट हो गया था तो फिर मैं आकर बहुत थक गई थी और फिर उसके बाद सो गई. एंड नाउ आई एम अप एंड अब मैं जाके अपना ब्रेकफास्ट बनाऊंगी. एंड मीनवाइल आई विल आल्सो गिव फूड टू पपीज. Tricky, come. Don't be angry, Tuka. Ow! She's angry and she needs some food. So I'll go and give her the food. Tuka, you're angry? Are you angry? Oh, you my baby. Chal. So I have something very interesting to show you, and that is my robo chef, and this is with me for some 20 days because the team wants us to try out the recipes and give them the feedback. So this is called Nymble, as you can see. So this is more like a prototype. Earlier version also we had for like 1 or 2 weeks, and that also we had tried. So now currently there are some 25 to 30 recipes, and today I am thinking of trying pasta. No, I am going to try fusilli in basil pesto. So that I want to try. So right after giving food to puppies, I am gonna give it a shot. सो ये कंटेनर्स है जिसमें हमें सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स रखने, लाइक द चॉप्ड वेजिटेबल्स एंड वट एवर सॉसेस दे हैव आस्क्ड अस टू पुट. सो ये यहाँ पे पीछे इधर रखेंगे हम ABC जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल नाउ इट्स मैक्रो A, राइट? सो नाउ आई जस्ट टेक वन कंटेनर एंड दैट मैक्रो A हैज़ टू बी फिल्ड विद फ्यूसली. So I'll just fill it up and I'll just place it पीछे. So likewise ABCD में जो भी इन्होंने बोला है वो one by one I'll have to start putting it up, and post that here micro means the masalas and the spices, whatever salt, sugar, everything, and all these the team itself has given. So we have to just select and place it accordingly. And liquids में here if you see these two containers, this consists of oil and this is for water. So these two you have to keep it filled. So currently now they want us to fill in liquids olive oil and water, so I'll have to fill it up. And whatever ingredients we are using, everything the gram is mentioned here, and the same base you can use it for weighing. So you will have to make sure that you use the exact quantity. If you want to increase the serving, then maybe you can just increase the serving up to 4 it is allowed. So yeah, up to 4 it is allowed. So based on that the grams will change. Earlier it was 70 grams for one person. So likewise, so अगर 2 लोग हैं तो you will have to cook accordingly. So everything का gram is changed. So likewise I'll have to make sure that I put exactly what is being asked. So first I'll just wait. So start prepping and then tear. So Now it shows 0, right? Huh. So now I'll just put the pasta and weigh it and check how much it is. So you can see यहाँ पे grams will keep changing. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Yeah, it's almost fine. So my container A, B, C and D. All the 4 containers are ready and I'm just gonna place it. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 micros I need to add. So I have taken all of it. I'm gonna just place it one by one. So I've removed the earlier spices which were over here and now I'm just going to rearrange it. So 1 is supposed to be salt, 2 is black pepper, I'm done adding everything and now I'm just gonna start it and then I'll get back to my work. So here is the checklist. So water is sufficient, oil is there, spatula and stirrer are placed properly, that is also done, and stirrer connected to the outlet which is this is also connected. So basically everything is done. So now start cooking. So here are all the steps. So the pasta is ready, fusilli is ready and I'm just gonna have it. Just as perfect as from some great restaurant cooked by some great chef. It's very yummy. I'm just gonna enjoy my pasta now. Fusilli now. If you're new here, okay, there's a lot of noise. I'll get back to my work, finish the food and calm these babies down. Yeah, if you enjoyed watching then please like and subscribe this channel and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.